Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I wanted to show you a quick little, pro tip whenever you're editing HTML. So let me go ahead and change my theme back to something not ugly, and there we go. So what you could do is you can actually do multi-selection. So let's say I have these files here, and I want to duplicate this. So what you could do is you can highlight all of it, and then hit Control D. Or actually, sorry, hit Alt D, and you can duplicate it, right? But not only that, you can actually do multi-selection. So let's say I want to select all the H1s here, and I want to change it to a H2. What I could do is I can double click and highlight the H1, and then if I go to selection, I will see the shortcut for select all occurrences, Control Shift L. So then I can do Control Shift L, and it will highlight all H1s in the document. Now this could be a good thing or a bad thing. I probably wouldn't do this, but it will do it for you if you want it to, right? So that's pretty powerful. If you only want to highlight the one below it, then you can look at the shortcut here. It'll say next occurrence, previous occurrence. As you can see, this is not assigned. So if you want to go ahead and assign it, you would have to go to File, Preferences, Keyboard Shortcuts, search for it here, previous occurrence, and then you would have to give it an assignment, right? I actually don't see it, which is weird. Let me type occurrence. That's strange, but find it in there and then change it. But let's say you want to do next occurrence, you hit Control D, it'll go to that one, Control D, it'll go to that one, Control D, it'll go to that one, and then you can change it like that. So it's kind of like that. So you can do a lot of cool stuff with that. So if you also want to have a multi-selected cursor, you just click where you want it and then hold Alt and then click anywhere else, and it'll give you a cursor, and then you can go ahead and edit and delete with that. All right, so that's some powerful tips right there to help you code in HTML. For example, let's say I want to change this to read file, and I want these two to say read file. I just hit Control D to highlight the second one. Click the right arrow key to go to the end, and then I can add to the file, add to the text, right? Or let's say I want to override it. I can highlight it, Control D, and then say reading, right? Another pro tip, if you want to be able to type fast in programming, what you could do is I actually have some sites, I believe, that's pretty good for typing. Let me see here. And what you want to do is just practice typing every day a little bit. And I would say not even a lot, just like maybe 10 minutes. Let's say something like every time you get on the computer, you just open this up real quick and you just go through one session, you know. And typing speed is not important in programming, but hey, every little time you can save as a programmer is money in your pocket. So, you know, you can do like one paragraph of this and then, you know, get back to what you was doing. You know, it doesn't have to be something where you carve it out every day. I mean, it doesn't have to be something that you like spend hours on every day. Just like open it up real quick. It doesn't even have to be 10 minutes. You do like 2 minutes of this. You just open it up, you know, do one set, 2 sets, and then you close it and you get back to what you was doing. And that will actually, you know, it'll actually grow, and you will build up speed, and you'll be able to type fast. This site is pretty cool because it will actually slowly ease in new letters, so that you can get familiar with that. When you type, you don't want to look at the keyboard, all right? You want to practice typing without looking at the keyboard. You also want to learn proper form so that you're not typing weird, all right? So check those things out. They'll help improve you as a developer, help you code faster. And I'll see you in the next one.